with RC16 with Ram Charan Garu and Butch. How is it? How is it coming along?
It's amazing.
I heard you already composed few songs for it. Yeah. Any work on that?
You'll hear it very soon.
Sir, can you please enlighten us more about your project Headhunting to Beatboxing?
Headhunting to beatboxing is a very inspirational tale, and I went and saw what was happening from violence to peace, and an evolution. It's so inspirational, and after a long time, I felt like this is a tale which could inspire. And many people don't even know that this is Nagaland. This is the new Nagaland. And in Melbourne, when we premiered, the main thing which people understood, we never known Nagaland was this. The job was
Any plans of using this Nagaland music in your mainstream commercial movies as well?
when the time comes, yes.
All the best.